Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about the STLC phases. STLC stands for Software Testing Lifecycle. STLC involves both the verification and validation. Like verification is done without executing the code. It's done at the when we get the requirement from the customer, then we are going through the documentation. In that phase we are doing the verification, and validation is done by executing the code, means evaluate the software after the SDLC phase, software development life cycle. In this phase we are going to do the validation. When SDLC come under certain phases, there is first phase is requirement analysis. In this phase, QA team interacts with the stakeholder to understand the requirement in details. Requirement could be either functional or non-functional. Next phase is test planning. Like in this, we are going to plan which tool we are required for doing the testing, how much effort we are required to doing the testing, and if we are doing the testing, like any training is required for doing the testing. These are done into the test planning. And next phase is test case development. After the test planning, we are going to develop the test cases on the basis of test planning. Like test cases and test scriptive is ready. Like if I'm going to test the login functionality, there can be like test cases for the positive and negative. For the positive test scenario, we are entering the email ID and password and going to log in what is happening. And for the negative, we are going to mention the wrong details and test for the scenarios. These are come under the test case development. Next is the test environment setup. After the development of test cases, we need to set the environment, in which environment we are going to perform the testing. In this, we need to set the environment. Set the test environment and test data, perform the smoke testing on the build. Then next is the test execution. Execute test as per the plan. If the bug is reported by the team, and then we found any bug, we revert back to the development, and the team will correct it, and we do the retesting and perform all the testing. This is come into the test execution. And next is the test cycle closure. This is the last phase in the STLC phases. Completion of the test execution, which involves several activities like test completion reporting, collection of test completion matrices, and test result. Then after these things, we are going to close our test cycle. All these things will do as a part of testing phase. But why do we need to do the testing on the software project? For example, I just want to purchase a laptop. I have I have decided some specification, and I have the some budget on that. I go to the certain shops according to my budgets and look some laptop, and if the laptop meets my specification, I have purchased that laptop. And when I'm trying to using that laptop, I've faced some issues, and I'm frustrating with this. Before launching, and for that reason, before launching the product into the market, it required proper testing to verify it's working properly or not. Because for delivering the quality product to the customer, we need to do the proper testing for delivering the quality product. We require testing because we need to deliver quality product to the customer. For improving the quality, we need to report bug or defect to the developer, and developer need to work on it and again need to do the testing on that process will repeat to delivering the quality product. Software SDLC is talking about the overall progress in the software development, whereas the STLC is talking about the testing process to delivering the quality product. There, when we are doing the testing, we are going to the some phases like we are finding the defect or bug into an software. What is the defect and bug? If there is any functionality not working as per the customer requirement and not working as per our expectation, that is called as defect or a bug. In those cases, we need to report that bug to the developer and developer need to work on it, and after they will give us another executable file and we are doing the testing on that. For testing, if there is working fine, then we'll proceed further. Otherwise, we will do the process, repeat the process again. This is about the SDLC process and why we are doing the testing for delivering the quality product to the customer. It's come under the SDLC phases. Thank you.